Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 5,
My lord, 5, 6 and 7, my lord.
connecting
I
matter.
also make similar prayer for adjournment.
5, 6 and 7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, division bill. 5 Konlokma 6
6 also,
Connect 5 and 6 is connected, my lord.
and 7 also,
7.
Your Lordship.
My lord.
and 8.
No, my lord, 5, 6 and 7.
Mr. Janta is looking very sad in adjourned. I think you have to pay some adjournment cost to him.
My lord, I'm praying on the ground of bereavement, my lord.
So many adjournments.
My lord, Miss Ailinwa's father has passed away.
Oh, I don't know.
So AAG has also gone to the hometown for the funeral, my lord.
Okay, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the request of
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
joint
I also
request.
join, my lord.
Joint request made by the parties. When after?
After 2 weeks?
2 weeks, my lord.
That is matters appear after 2 weeks.
Okay. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes. Very fit.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
Yes.
Item number 8.
Number 8.
Not ready with the matter, Your Lordship, today.
Yes.
Not ready with the matter today.
Yes, you are ready. You're ready with the matter today. Yes, after 2 weeks. Yes. Yes.
Item number 1.
Your Lordship, this is the
One
appeal.
second, let the file come to my brother. Yes.
You see, this appeal has been preferred against the judgment and order dated 11/10/2023.
This is condemnation or already condoned?
Already condoned.
Already condoned. Yes. Where the judgment?
This page 117.
Okay. Yeah. What is wrong with the judgment?
So, Your Lordship, this finally come to the conclusion that petitioner respondent here was not given the opportunity of being heard and necessary documents were not given, but it is not the correct position.
Where's that?
This
You
operative
before
part.
the single bench, you have already submitted this. That is not
Yes.
the correct position. That she was not given adequate opportunity.
So, Your Lordship, here in this case,
Yes.
the operative part of this judgment is page 30, page 133, paragraph 38.
Page 123 of paragraph
38 of the judgment.
38. Yes.
This come to this conclusion. In the light of the above the observation, the court is convinced that the petitioner delinquent has not been furnished with all copy of the said inquiry report and therefore was prevented from filing of the response to the same. Violation of the natural justice has occurred. The subsequent action taken by the concerned authority, including the imposing the penalty, compulsory retirement for service, as is found to be impugned order dated 23
Okay,
5
based on the inquiry report, she was completely retired.
Yes.
But then the thing is that was she given a opportunity to represent against the findings in inquiry before
she
the
is
final
given the-
call was taken?
She is given this
Inquiry report
representation.
was supplied to her.
We all copies given, and after that she has given the.
No. What is it your case that the respondent was supplied inquiry report before the final order was passed by the disciplinary
Yes,
authority? Is that your case?
Yes, sir. So
100%. Okay, yes. Was she applied inquiry
No,
report?
Madam. Not even in the affidavit in opposition they have filed, Madam. Till today I have not seen the light of the inquiry report, Madam. Till today, Madam.
You didn't file in the course of proceedings for the court also?
No, Madam.
we produce the record of what documents you want, Your because here, Your Lordship, if he didn't get these copies, how he can make the representation even for the appeal? If you didn't get
Where's
any
the appeal
copy.
memo? We filed before the appellate authority.
Yes. Appeal preferred in page 73.
What's your person serving as? The respondent?
She was serving as let's call it the attendant.
Attendant.
Female attendant.
That it means?
Female attendant.
Great for my lord. On compassionate appointment also, that to my lord. Husband expired on the line of duty, my lord.
$73.
Page 73.
No, her appeal or this one. That's not 73 is the order.
And page 73, Your Lordship.
That's the order and but
So this is the this order passed when the appeal is prepared. She has made the representation. How it is possible without?
68.
And then 68 is her application.
where she written she not
Page
received the,
68.
where have you written that you did not give the required report? Yes, it's not mentioned anywhere she received the report. We'll hear that. But then, yes, heard Mr. Ardebnal, the CGC, also Mr. El Karim on behalf of the sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
Yes, this is a matter for hearing, please. After 3 weeks.
Item number 2.
No pleasure.
That's one. Yes, please. Yes, Mr. Chakravarti.
May please your lordship. The matter is for admission, I think, today.
May please your lordship. I am still to get a copy, lordship. No. Sorry. Sorry. 2, item number 2, read it. Last occasion, condonation of delay was allowed and
You're for Vijaya Bank.
yes. Now Bank of Baroda it is.
227, na Bank Baroda, yes. Kindly,
No, I have to give a copy.
Sorry.
yeah, Mr. Sorry, yes.
BP Bora.
Yes, Mr. B.P. Bora is present. We have response number 227. He submits that though the matter is for admission today, they are yet to receive copies of the memo of appeal.
Actually, we had taken steps and it had gone, but I will give him an extra copy. I'll make an extra copy.
Mr. Ashra, when the council undertakes to supply the same in the course of the day. This matter after
So any day.
2 weeks.
Deeply.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
My lord, we are filing our affidavit today, my lord. Now, there is a stay also in this matter. It was granted on the last occasion. It may kindly be extended, my lord.
Yes?
There was a stay also granted on the last occasion. It may kindly be extended, my lord.
Yes, Mr. M. Sinkan, on behalf of state respondent, submits that the affidavit filed in the course of the day. Stop calling this as matter after 2 weeks for the joint of any
Yes, ma'am.
interim order, next paragraph, and whatever any shall remain operation next date.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
Yes.
My lord, this is the third round litigation in this.
It is
The last time, this Honorable Court, by the order 6924, page 26, my lord, directed to make the final payment of the CGDS account. To make the final payment of our order.
What?
CDG as a capital gain deposit
Okay.
account. That is at
What
page
happened?
26,
Where
my lord.
page?
26.
Have you taken steps or not on the response?
Yes, I have taken steps. On
But the review
13.3,
also,
13.3.
No, who's appearing for? This is income tax, correct? Who's appearing for income tax?
I don't know.
How do we pass effective orders if they're not present?
Yes. We have.
Yes, office note indicates that the indicates that the respondent, that is,
It was sent by
respondents
registered
have
post.
since been served. However, there's no appearance that we have today. Stop. This is matter after 2 weeks to enable appearance of the respondent.
Much obliged.
Hearing. Item number 9.
My lord, I appear to the petitioner in the matter.
Yes. We will dispose it of.
This is recorded by your lordship that we shall prefer a statute to be appealed. My right to file may be protected.
Yes.
And they're not pressing any appeal to the petition.
Yes. Dr. Mozika, any objection?
Simple withdrawal.
Mr. Haris Musa, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that he may praise the
My lord,
income.
I am not withdrawing. Your lordship may kindly protect my right to file.
See, if you don't withdraw, then how do you pursue your statutory appeal?
My lord, your lordship may dispose it off.
You
by-
can't
by
have.
direction.
Yes, okay.
Dispose it off, my lord.
Yes. Yes. By order dated in the order dated 23/2025, passed by this court, the submissions of Mr. Haris Musa, learned counsel for the petitioners, had been recorded that the lead petitioner was willing to pursue the matter by filing a statutory appeal with the custom authorities, and that the matter be closed for this court. Stop. It was also prayed that the period spent pursuing the matter before this court be given due consideration for exclusion on the question of delay when appeal is taken up custom of the appeal. Stop. You have any submission to make, Dr. Mozika?
But as far as delay is concerned, my lord, they may
That's
file,
up to them to consider.
They may file an application as to
No, that's up to them to consider. Yes, of course. That's
That should be-
yes, yes. The
On this score, the judgment of the Supreme
yes,
Court, Section 14 square.
Dr. N. Mozika
Well-
has no objection to the said submission, and only submits that the appeal will be taken up in accordance with law. Stop. Next paragraph, the submission duly recorded. The appeal is accordingly closed by allowing the petitioner to pursue the matter by filing a statutory appeal. With regard to the period spent pursuing the matter for this court, the same shall be given due consideration by the appellate.
My lord, with regard to in the light of one particular Supreme Court.
No, we won't. You
judgment,
place that before the Commission of Appeals. You place the Commission of Appeals. Shall be given due consideration by the Commission. Please, Mr. Musa, you place that Commission of Appeals on an appropriate application being filed. Yes. Matter stands closed and disposed of. Yes. Thank you. You all know 11:30 is a reference for DHUS, so you all should be there. Yes. Single यहाँ भले 11:30 court reference. Till the court has set till 11:30. Will
Any mention?
Your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention one matter for listing tomorrow for motion, Your Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, we are aggrieved by the order passed by the court in execution petition, Your Lordship, where it has grant post-award interest in the pre-award interest, Your
You
Lordship.
read petition, you're filing.
CRP, Your Lordship.
CRP you have to mention before the court taking CRP. I'm not taking.
This is civil revision.
Civil revision is not, this court's not taking. See the roster?
Alright.
CRP has gone to court number 4. You couldn't mention that. Yes?
I beg to make a mention for an unlisted motion tomorrow, Lordship. The matter pertains to tender, Lordship. Here, what has happened, Lordship? There are specifications in the tender which is geared towards a particular company, Lordship.
What the tender which commodity?
Lordship, medical equipments, Lordship. Tomorrow. Hello, Lordship.
Mr. Tiwari, we won't have hearings today because of the.
In fact, the council from the council of the state of West Bengal. In fact, he is having some personal difficulty today.
Okay.
So, in fact, I was fully informed in advance. So, my lord, we have agreed for 3rd of April as a mutually agreed date.
Sorry, this week won't be possible. You'll have to take it after Bihu holidays. You kindly inform me. Yes. Yes.
Very well, my lord. That
Yes.
is the
We'll
case.
fix a date. Yes.
So,
Yes.
Let it be, my lord, in that case, my lord, I'll give a date of after Bihu holidays. My lord, Bihu holidays would be over in Meghalaya High Court tentatively on
By 17th, 18th, 19th week, 19th week beginning, you kindly.
Very well. My lord, could it be on 21st of April?
Very good, yes.
Holiday, sir.
21st. Why?
It's showing red, Your Lordship.
21st April holiday.
High Court holiday. High Court.
Or 21st also we are closed. Have it on 20th.
In that case, my lord, it will go to 28th of April, 2/8.
Fine. Yes.
2/8.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 6, the state of West Bengal, Your Lordship.
28th, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
No hearing today. Yes. Call out notice.
Item
No
number
hearing
one.
today.
Item number 1.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord.
Not taking hearings, so if having reference 11:30. You know what reference is? Yes. Yes, Mr. Bora, why you disappeared last time? You didn't appear. Yes. Yes, Mr. Bora.
Item number 1.
We can't hear you. You come physically day after tomorrow. This matter day after tomorrow. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Item number 2.
Flip no ito. All you, okay, whoever's there, shut it down. Shut down you. Yes. Yes.
Hey, please, Your Lordship. My lord, the petitioner's grievances with the state reservation policy to the limited extent, my lords, that it grants 5% reservation and it clubs two groups, that is the other scheduled tribes and the scheduled castes together for competition. This, in our view, my lords, is not permissible. It is opposed to the constitutional scheme of reservation, my lord. That's a limited question here. He had participated in
what is your grievance? You were.
I
took part in which selection?
Well, it's in the MCS exams, my lord.
So
The
now
advertisement.
against that 5% quota, someone's already been appointed.
So, my lords, there were total 35 vacancies. This particular group of 5% was allotted 2 seats.
Okay.
And both the seats have gone to the other scheduled tribes.
Which are the other scheduled tribes?
If your lordships look at the
Hajong.
list at page 87 of enclosed, the Constitution Order of 1950.
No, forget that. Where's the list of selected candidates?
My lords. At page 52.
He is qualified, you mean?
My lord.
Appointment is.
He cleared the prelims, the written exams, the mains.
Who are the other?
Let's please see at page 53, serial number 29 and 31. They are other scheduled tribes, Koch and Rabba.
Okay. the other scheduled tribe.
My lord, so our understanding is, my lords, that the people falling in the scheduled tribes list are a distinct and heterogeneous group as compared to those falling in the other list for the scheduled castes.
Does Meghalaya maintain a scheduled caste list?
My lord, there is.
Where is that?
Page 70. This is the Constitution, the President's Order, my lord. The Constitution's Scheduled Caste Order of 1950 at page 70. And Meghalaya, my lords, is featured at page 78.
Yes.
Page 78, my lords will see serial number 3, Brityal Bania. So in this case, the petitioner belongs to the Bania community. So that is a limited question, my lord. So since we did not feature in the select list, we made a representation.
OBC doesn't have an OBC list. Here.
OBC does not have it.
Yes, who's appearing for the state?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondents.
This exam was conducted by MPSC, my lords. We've served a copy on the MPSC.
Heard Mr. S. and counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr. Advocate General, you are appearing here?
I will appear because it's an important constitutional issue.
The Advocate General with Advocate General with MSZ Inong Country is present, accept notice on behalf of respondents number 1 to 4.
State is 1 to 3. MPSC is 4 to 5.
MSBF Karamanang is present, accept on behalf of 4 and 5. Notice issued to respondent number 6 within 3 days. Just after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 3.
What is this, Mr. Sama?
This Lordship. This is your Lordship. This is the, I'm appearing the register. Is the petitioner is the registrar of the USTM. Now what happened? Registrar of the yes, registrar of the USTM, the Universal Science and Technology. Now what happened, my lord? The USTM got a letter of permission to establish the new Ayurvedic college in that and the university. Then yes, LOP. On the basis of the LOP, they have
Ayurvedic college.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then what happened?
And then thereafter they have written a letter to the Ministry of Ayush stating that we have got a permission to open this new Ayurvedic college in the college and to do the necessary. And the Ayurvedic college have written general information that the admission to the new Ayurvedic college has to be done through the either through the state counselling or through by the central counselling. Then we have approached the state government saying that since we got a letter of letter LOP, then we are processing for admission. The state government have written the letter clarifying that they don't have the state counselling authority, so they have asked the USTM to approach to NCIS, National Commission for Ayurvedic. Then we have approached to the again saying that since state have advised us to approach the National Commission for Ayurvedic College for counselling through admission. Then there was no proper communication. Then we have been writing a correspondence, and later on they said that only the counselling can be done through either to the state counselling or to the national counselling. Then after that they have issue.
What are you aggrieved with right now?
Now aggrieved is that they have cancelled our admission, saying that yes, to that we have taken the 36 students as per the regulation or the first batch 36 students, and we are already cleared the needs everything or as per the criteria, and they have said that you have not done the
what is lacking, they say.
Now they say that that we have not followed certain guidelines.
What are central guidelines?
They said that we have done through our own counselling, not either by the state or through the national counselling. And then thereafter they have constituted the hearing committee. We have appeared before the constituting committee, and they have asked us to submit all the documents, whatever relevant document. We have submitted all the documents. And then after the submitting all the documents, the hearing was done. We have also submitted the written submission along with all the document, necessary document, whatever they have asked. After submitting all the documents, they, without reflecting any, there is no such order, there is no speaking order from the hearing committee. They have just cancelled us, saying that you have not follow certain guideline.
So the thing is that now what will be the fate of the students who have enrolled?
Yes, Lordship. That's why we are coming before this honorable
without
court.
any degree?
Now they have not gone to any other university,
No,
but
if it is,
yes.
they're not here before us.
Yes.
But the thing is that according to you, all the parameters have met, all formalities
Yes.
have been complied with.
Yes, we have complied.
As per the what's that national what?
Yes, National Commission for
whatever.
yes, we have complied actually, and we said if there is some which we have not follow, we said that even we will rectify.
If Dr. Moses, anything to say? The union will be more, I think, important.
This is the impugn order, very order which we are challenging. This is
Where, Doctor?
Last 2 pages. They are filling up seats by their own will, without following any guidelines. Page 86, this is letter dated 5/3/25.
Yes.
I'm directed to bring to notice that all admissions in BAMS should be as per the clause 1 of Regulation 7, so and so of National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Minimum Standards of Undergraduate Education Regulation, so and so, which says all seats irrespective of category, central quota, state quota, or management, etc., except foreign nationals are to be admitted through counseling, central or state or union territory only. Direct admission by any means other than above specified shall not be approved. On verification of the data,
Lordship.
please wait.
Yes. Yes.
Admitted student for bands for the batch of 23-24 submitted by your college with the data provided by the Meghalaya State Counselling Authority. The below mentioned students found to be not allotted through the Meghalaya State Counselling Authority. As per the above specified regulation, the below mentioned 36 students admission cannot be approved by NCISN, and you are instructed to cancel their admission and discharge the students. And a gross violation by them.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm also on
You
this.
have a Meghalaya State Counselling Authority.
From this letter, it appears that there is a Meghalaya
No,
State
appears on
Counselling
instructions.
Authority.
Have you received instructions?
No, we have not yet
Why?
received any instructions, Your Lordship. As
This
far
is
as
a very serious matter. If
Yes,
someone
Your
has been
Lordship.
admitted, now the
We
motion
understand,
was
Your
filed
Lordship.
when was the revision filed?
Representative, we have a number of revisions filed on
So
the.
when was this filed? This particular one?
Yes, or the last Friday.
One?
last presentation was
28
filed
March.
6th March.
No, 28 March was filed, yes. So you've got instructions, important matters like this before the matter appears to the court. Because if 36 or 38 students are just hanging in the balance, it's not it's very unfair. We listed, you've heard Mr. P.T. Sharma issue notice, MS Dr. M. Mozika, DSI with so-and-so, is present, except on behalf of respondent number 1.
4, I think.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. And MST Yangi P and AG with so and so on 5 and 6.
Your Lordship.
Stop next paragraph. Mr. P.T. Sangma, learned counsel petitioner, has submitted that the issue concerns the cancellation of admission of students who are admitted to the Ayurvedic Medical College of the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Please, it is submitted that in spite of complying with all the requirements, this is the National Commission for Indian System Medicine, the respondent number 2, respondent 3 and 4 have cancelled the admissions of the students already admitted. Next by Dr. N. Mozika, in reply to submissions, has drawn the attention of this court to page 86, annex 16, annexed to the writ petition, to show that there is a glaring illegality in the manner of admission, which has resulted in the impugn order dated 5/3/2025. Next, MST Yangi be praised out to appear instructions on behalf of state. This is matter after 1 week.
Lordship.
on a fixed date, not 1 week, 2 weeks, means 1 week. Yes, means 1 week is 1 week. 1 week, next Monday will become on the 8th.
Lordship.
Yes, for the order.
Pleasure.
Much press, Lordship.
Please take instructions. Because this
We'll
is-
take
this is the
instructions.
thing.
Item number 4.
I'm going to dispose it here and now only. Yes.
Please, Lordship, respondent certify the affidavit.
They filed.
Not your Lordship.
Not filed. What's the matter about?
It's a pension matter, Your Lordship.
Pension matter, Dr. Mosika. Just court feel the pension matters.
Know that it is under process, my lord, but now
Under process, whatever the people are dying for want of pension, then
maybe some time, my lord. Maybe 10 days time, I'll come up.
see this letter you have produced on 14 Jan 2025. You've been given a copy of this letter. It was produced by the DSGI.
Yes. This letter.
Take down. Dr. Mosika today has sought SOUGHT.
Oh, yes.
Sought further time for filing of affidavits. Stop. This court notes that on which date was that we produced the letter?
20th Jan.
This court notes that on
20th January.
on 31/2025, the SGI had produced a communication dated 14 Jan 2025, issued by the respondents, wherein it is indicated that the case of granting family pension in favor of the petitioner was under active consideration at PAD capital PSF New Delhi bracket pension section. So, accordingly, it is expected that the matter be given due importance and the same be resolved, preferably within
3 weeks time.
within 3 weeks. Yes. So, be expedited and the matter be resolved. And council also going to file affidavit after 3 weeks. Yes. Because they always said that's January is already it's in the process of being settled. Yes.
5.
Today's instruction is that they want to file an affidavit.
That's for sure.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 6, I am praying for further 2 weeks to file my affidavit, Lordship.
Further,
2 weeks, Lordship, to file my affidavit.
what about the 124? File. Already file. You won't file. Why? You're for Kelitab. What's your name? MS Esdar for 5 and Mr. S. Dev for 6 for the 2 weeks time for affidavits. Yes, that afterwards also, yes.
Obligation.
6.
Lordship, item 6 is connected to the previous item. I am praying for 2 weeks to file a rejoinder, Lordship.
Yes, 6. Mr. S. Dev please for allowed 2 weeks time to
File
it.
it.
Yes. You haven't filed affidavit here also. To file a jointer affidavit 5 by respondent number 1 and 2. Stop. MS Isdhar for respondent number 3. Also please allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop. Prayers allowed this together with the WPC number. Gautam Matan.
With item 5.
161.
Obliged.
7.
These matters, Your Lordships, 7, 8, 9 and 10 can be disposed of today, Your Lordship, because the amount indicated by them and the amount which we have also mentioned in your affidavit, Your Lordship, tallies. So the government is willing to pay, but we have requested for fund from the central ministry, which we are awaiting.
How long?
At least 6 months, Your Lordship.
Will be too.
How much? 6 weeks.
At least maybe if Lordship, I will humbly pray.
MS
4 months.
AAG with MS Inauthority today submit that the amounts need to be outstanding to the petitioner are not in dispute.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And
It
as
is not
such,
disputed.
so he only prays that the state respondent be given adequate time.
Because the fund is to be
Please to release the payments as funds are yet to be
from the Ministry of New and Renewable Agency, Government of India.
from the Ministry of
New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, Your Lordship.
New and Renewable Energy,
Government of India, from Delhi, Your Lordship.
Department, Government of India. Stop. Next, P. Sangma. She prays for that. She does prays that 6 months' time be allowed to complete the same. So, Mr. P.T. Sangama is
At least,
objection.
no, that is praying for 4 months.
Made by the learned Additional Advocate General, only that the payment should be made within 4 months.
Your Lordship.
In consideration of submissions made by the council parties, this matter stands closed off out the direction that the state respondents will endeavor to release the payments within a period of
4 months.
Give them 5 months. 5 months.
Lordship.
From this order. Yes.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, my lord.
This other matters are also the same.
It's connected till
same.
7 to 10.
7 to 10, my lord.
Connected matters, Your Lordship.
11.
Much less, lordship.
Yes.
Lordships.
Which time is this, MSD Cruz?
Lordships, it would be the 5th time, Lordship.
Then the jointers close.
Lordship, Lordship may pose this matter for hearing, Lordship. In the meantime, we'll file it.
Filing of jointer by the petitioners closed. The 5th time you're asking now.
Lordship, it would be the 5th time for there were 2 affidavits in opposition, Lordship, that were filed.
Anyway, it's closed. Stop. This is a matter for hearing. Next, however, in the interest of justice, the writ petition may file the jointer before the date of hearing.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
12.
Yes, who's going to
Please,
file
Lordship.
affidavit?
Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, we have already filed the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, this is non-clearance of tender amount, Your Lordship, on completion of work allotted to the
Security
petitioner.
deposit.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, actually, however, there was an inquiry and 80% already been released to the petitioner, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, this matter can be disposed of, Your Lordship, because with a direction, a time frame may be given to them, Your Lordship, because Your Lordship may kindly see their affidavit, Your Lordship, para 10. They have para 10, Your Lordship.
Para 10.
Yes. They have clearly mentioned, Your Lordship, that another 20% they can be released based on the inquiry report, Your Lordship.
Keep it down, whoever's talking is. Yes. Where's that?
Page number 5, Your Lordship.
Going to.
So, Your Lordship.
Close it? Yes, you're okay with that?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, a time frame may be given to them, Your Lordship.
Yes, for to come to about any decision. Then you'll be yes. MSI Kashi today submits that 80% of the bill amount has since been released to the petitioner, and the balance 20% she submits will be subject to the outcome of an inquiry which was constituted by the Executive Council. Learned Council has also referred to para 10 of the affidavit in opposition and submits that the matter and prays that the matter may be closed and the outcome be subject to the inquiry. Next, MS Ibla appearing vice Mr. SN appearing for the respondent. Mr. Sen, you're here. We'll close this matter.
Yes,
yes. Has no Mr. SN, Learned Council for the respondent has no objection to the prayer made by Learned Council petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, this matter on the submissions made by council petitioner stands closed to await the outcome of the inquiry and for further adjustment as per clause 2 of the agreement due to delay in completion of the work. So,
Lordship.
the treasurer also reserves her right to approach this court.
Time frame may be given to
If
them, Your
still
Lordship.
Agree. Stop. It is expected the entire matter be concluded within a period of
3 months.
3
now,
months.
My lord, now things are a little just be settled down.
13.
Lordship, we have filed our rejoinder, Your Lordship. So, Lordship, may kindly post the matter for hearing.
For
Yes, Your
hearing,
Lordship.
party submit that please complete this matter for hearing also.
14.
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, Mr. Paul is not available today, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
We find
Lordship, this
applications for vacating the interim order, my lord.
Lordship,
And
there
this
is
was
a
filed
hearing to
since
be done on the
18th of
case.
February is a 1.5 months.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
15.
I've just received a copy of their affidavit, respondent number 3's affidavit.
Who's number 3?
The bank.
3 is the bank.
Yes.
So what do you want today?
My lord, it appears, I've just gone through the affidavit. It appears there's some common grounds taken in their affidavit plus number 4. Not quite.
It's a matter for hearing.
My point is, my lord, they've raised the issue of maintainability, both of them.
So you raise it up in the BAM hearing, take it up as a preliminary issue.
If it can be fixed for admission hearing, my lord, subject to.
You okay with that? Yes.
The entire matter can be disposed.
For the respondent number 4.
Yes.
RBI. So I'm file our wakala number.
You not file affidavit also?
Not yet, my lord.
It's not required because they have no real role to play.
Number 2, number 2.
Yes.
But last time,
RBI.
Dr. Mozika appeared for number 2.
No, Your Honor, my advocate from Guwahati High Court, Prasanto Hazarika, he's.
You're Mr. Kumar, right?
I'm Abhijit Medok.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh, Mr. Medok, sorry. Mr. Medok today submits that they will be conducting a case on behalf of the respondent number 2. You want to file affidavit? No.
We'll see, my lord.
What do you mean we will see? You can't come kind of instructions. We'll close it otherwise. Appeal number 2, stop. Same is noted. Next parameter, as general submits that as a question of maintainability has come up, the same may perhaps be taken up for consideration before the matter is finally heard. Accordingly, list the matter for admission hearing on the question of maintainability on the next day. Yes.
Much obliged.
16.
Yes, Mr. Shulai, where's Mr. Shulai?
Your Lordship, Mr. Shulai has some personal
What materials, important developments he says are there?
Your Lordship, I pray that we may be granted some time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Day after tomorrow. He said you want to bring on record some important developments. You want to hear those important developments.
17.
Your Lordship.
As Mr. Shulai is absent, this is a matter day after tomorrow.
Filed by response for respondent number 1.
Lordship, this matter, I've recently been appointed as a legal aid counsel for the petitioner. I've gone through the contempt petition as well as the replies filed by some of the respondents. Lordship, may kindly give me about a week's time
We'll close it.
In fact, my lord,
we will not use the court as a
my lord,
arena for
my lord, off the record, that would be my view also, but I'm not being able to convince the petitioner as of now. Give me a week's time, my lord. That's all I ask.
Because otherwise, I don't see.
Absolutely.
Anyway, that's a tentative view, but perhaps if you come with instructions, maybe we might take a different view. We don't know.
My lord,
we might punish them for contempt.
my mind is the same as Lordship's. As of now, I don't see much point in pursuing it, but I'll have to take proper instructions from the client about a week's time.
Mr. S. Gentle has today submitted that he will be entering appearance on behalf of the petitioner as legal aid counsel. He prays for about 2 weeks' time to obtain proper instructions. MSZ, also submits that affidavit behalf of respondent number 4 will be filed in the course of the day.
For the respondent number 2 and 3 have already filed, Lordship.
Already filed?
Yes.
It's already filed. You are appearing for?
He's with me.
Right.
Obliged.
Yes.
But in this case, I'm entering appearance for both the respondents, so contempt. Within a week, I'm filing my almost ready.
Nehu, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S. sends an appearance
Within a week,
on
I'll file.
behalf of the respondent. Such service complete. The case was allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavits.
19.
What is it? Yes. Yes, who's appearing for the respondent 124?
Lordship, receive instructions to appear for 5 and 6, Lordship.
For?
For 5 and 6.
Mr. ML Longpur at today's entered appearance behalf 5 and 6. As such, notice is complete. So none appears for 124. You want to file affidavit?
I want to file my affidavit.
Mr. Emerald Quay's was allowed 2 weeks time for affidavit.
Lordship,
Yes, up to 2 weeks.
Lordship, 124 is represented by Sir Kanta.
5 and 6, sorry.
124 is represented by Senior Counsel Vijay Kanta.
Yes, I know that.
But he's still appearing. We don't know. But he's still appearing.
20.
We're not going to record that. That's their business. Yes.
Do we have sent a notice already?
Yes.
We have already taken steps.
Appearance on behalf of respondent 3.
Number MPSC. So MPSC files must be occupying one rack in your office now. So many matters get MPSC. Number 3.
Number 3, Lordship.
1 and 2 is by
My lord, I'm representing 1 and 2.
and 3. MSPF Karunang Center appearance today in number 3. As such service complete. When will file affidavit?
My lord, I'm waiting for my instruction.
Yes, MS Arconi appearing for 1 and 2 and MSBF for 3. Pray for another 2 weeks time to obtain instruction. Yes, also.